Hello mga ka-wonders, we are now here at Aliyah Surf Resort Swimming Pool. It's a nice weather here. It's overcast, a little bit hazy in the mountain areas, but the pool is so refreshing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are now featuring our road trip adventure in the Sierra Madre range, and we are about to enter the Dinadyawan beach area and approaching the Pakulao. So at this point, we are still at the Sierra Madre area here, passing the Mountain Pass Road, and in a few minutes we will be traversing the road going to Baler, guys. So ayan, this is an amazing Mountain Pass Road. You can see amazing and stunning view of the mountain ranges, and in a few minutes now you will be seeing some of the coastal scenery which is leading towards the town of Baler. So see you guys and enjoy our journey going to the surfing capital of Luzon, which is Baler, Aurora. Baler became the capital of Aurora on June 14, 1951 under Republic Act No. 648 signed by President Elpidio Quirino. Baler is the birthplace of Manuel Quezon and his cousin and wife Aurora Aragon Quezon. One obvious reason was the area's isolation from the rest of Quezon Province. There were no direct links to the rest of the province, and much of the terrain was mountainous and heavily forested, which made the area relatively isolated and its distance from Quezon's capital, Lucena. On August 6, 2023, Republic Act No. 11957, also known as an Act recognizing the municipality of Baler in the province of Aurora as the birthplace of Philippine surfing, became law without President Bongbong Marcos' signature. Hello, good morning mga ka-wonders. We are now here at Aliyah Surf Resort in Baler, Aurora, and we booked this hotel last night. It's quite expensive, but the location is very nice. It has the best location here in Baler actually. Okay, so katatapos lang natin nagpalipad ng drones dito. At wala pa masyadong maraming mga surfers here, but then it's a nice and overcast morning, at kagabi ay medyo umulan ng konti, and but anyways, now it's a clear morning, and I think the sun is about to shine, and you can see some surfing enthusiasts here. Look at a few of them here. Okay, so maybe later we will try watching them doing this surf activity. Okay, I was actually expecting a white sand beach here, but not really white, or it's not even creamy white. It's gray, color gray. But then again, the waves are good in this area, and walang mga bato-bato, so it's ideal for beginner surfer. And makikita ninyo yung mga bundok. You can see the mountains, the other side, and of course the Sierra Madre on the other side. But it's a little bit hazy right now, so probably later you can see the full view of the mountain. Alright, now I will try to walk further to see some of the resorts here. Try to check if there are also other resorts that can compete the Aliyah Surf Resort. Okay. There. May nag-surfing, no? Kaya lang isa lang siya. Okay, you can see the mountain far apart. Nagpa-fog, no? Kasi it's start of rainy season here in Baler. Although this is facing the Pacific Ocean, so it is obvious that rain is inevitable to come in this area. Yan. I'll just take some early morning walk kasi tagal ko nang hindi nakalakad eh. Lagi lang kaming nagmumotor. So I hope this will help my conditioning, right? Okay, may mga pine trees dito. Sa resort na ito makikita nyo yung mga pine trees. Yan, pine trees there. Hello mga ka-wonders, we are now here at Aliyah Surf Resort Swimming Pool. It's a nice weather here. It's overcast, a little bit hazy in the mountain areas, but the pool is so refreshing. This is an infinity pool facing the Pacific Ocean waves. See? Yan. Yan guys. Infinity pool yan. Tapos may mga nagsusurfing. Okay? Okay? Ganda. Ang ganda ng lugar na ito. Okay, you can also see guys, there are surfing lessons going on the beach. Okay, right. Makikita mo, andun na si Ma'am Ilang. Yan, okay. Makikita mo yung nagsusurf na siya, no? Waiting for the right waves to come. Ayun, yeah. Alright. Yeah. Hello po mga ka-wonders. Ito po yung center lobby ng hotel na tinitirhan ko. Napaka-unique naman yung disenyo nito. At may mga classic na motorsiklo. Motorcycle classic, nandito pa rin. Tsaka yung mga surfboard. Okay, you can see it there. Then meron pa dito mga okay, picture booth na formang heart. Alright, okay.
Kami, nanay niyo order.